Solar energy. Energy enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of rooftop solar, an innovative and sustainable solution that allows us to harness the power of the sun and transform it into clean, renewable energy. In this video, we'll explore the numerous benefits of rooftop solar systems and shed light on why they're becoming increasingly popular. Let's get started. Understanding rooftop solar. Rooftop solar, also known as rooftop photovoltaic (PV) systems, involves installing solar panels on the rooftops of residential or commercial buildings. These panels consist of photovoltaic cells that convert sunlight into electricity through the photovoltaic effect. It's a simple and effective way to generate green energy right at your doorstep. Environmental benefits. One of the most significant advantages of rooftop solar is its positive impact on the environment. By generating electricity from the sun's rays, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, decrease greenhouse gas emissions, and combat climate change. Solar power is a clean and sustainable energy source that helps us move towards a greener future. Financial savings. Installing a rooftop solar system can lead to significant financial savings in the long run. While the initial investment may seem daunting, solar panels have a long lifespan and require minimal maintenance. By generating your own electricity, you can reduce or eliminate your monthly electricity bills and even sell excess power back to the grid, potentially earning you credits or income. Energy independence and security. Rooftop solar offers an opportunity for energy independence. Instead of relying solely on the electrical grid, solar panels enable you to generate your own power. This independence provides greater energy security, particularly during power outages or emergencies when the grid may be unreliable. With rooftop solar, you can enjoy uninterrupted power supply and peace of mind. Increasing property value. Installing a rooftop solar system can enhance the value of your property. Many homebuyers are increasingly attracted to homes equipped with solar panels due to their environmental benefits and long-term cost savings. Studies have shown that solar-powered homes have higher resale values, making rooftop solar a wise investment that pays off both financially and environmentally. Overcoming challenges. While rooftop solar has numerous advantages, it's essential to address some common challenges. Factors such as upfront costs, limited roof space, and variations in sunlight availability in certain regions may affect the feasibility of installing a solar system. However, technological advancements and financial incentives continue to make rooftop solar more accessible and affordable for a wider range of people. Conclusion and call to action. As we wrap up our exploration of rooftop solar, it's clear that it offers a multitude of benefits for individuals, communities, and the planet as a whole. By embracing this renewable energy solution, we can reduce our carbon footprint, save money, and contribute to a sustainable future. If you're interested in rooftop solar, reach out to local solar installers and explore the possibilities for your own home or business. Together, let's harness the power of the sun and create a brighter, cleaner future. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional advice. Consult a qualified solar energy expert for personalized guidance and recommendations regarding rooftop solar installations.